Welcome back to Charlie Survival. 7th of August 2011, North London. I watched the high street burn, sirens, smashed windows, neighbours passing buckets, the local bakery turned to ash. That night proved something, calm can crack fast. Today isn't doom scrolling, it's a national fire drill, 7 pressure points that could shove Britain from loud politics into hard conflict, and simple moves you can take before and during. And number 7 is very hot right now. Also stay till the end to see why this £10 high-vis beats a £1,000 gadget in every crisis. Disclaimer, all scenarios are speculative and non-partisan. This is educational, not for alarm. Number 1, weaponized AI plus information storm. A flawless deepfake shows a PM declaring martial law. Do you panic, share or pause? The trigger. The AI video floods feeds with even eyewitness clips. Debunks lands too late and the video hits 20 million views in an hour. Police cars idle waiting for legit orders. BBC anchors hold today's paper to prove they're live. Fact check apps give mixed signals. One phone flashes real, another says fake, and people start shouting on the streets. Rail stations' departure boards are hacked to display all services suspended by government order. Stranded commuters film the screens and panic spreads. Why violence? When trust collapses, people cluster on street corners comparing headlines on their phones, arguments flare and a few devices are knocked to the ground. Survival moves before. Try source rule. Choose 3 independent verifiers. BBC Radio, local police text, a foreign outlet, battery radio. Airwaves are harder to fake than streams. Reality circle. Real life chat groups beat algorithms. Family code word. Agree on a simple passphrase each morning. If a caller can't say it, treat the call as suspicious. Survival moves during. 60-second verify. Cross-check any shocking claim twice before acting or sharing. Neighbour notice board. Print and ping key updates on a shared lamppost or flyer board. Add in a WhatsApp number or group people can text for fresh information. Stay clear of flashpoints. Large crowds often gather around news studios or government buildings. Give those areas a wide berth. Deepfakes have already been a reality in some countries. A 1-minute pause is your life jacket. 2. Economic shock and class backlash. Your phone buzzes at 7 AM, sterling down 15% overnight. You can almost hear mortgages shatter. The trigger. Investors suddenly dump UK government bonds. Interest rates spike overnight. Banks withdraw cheap mortgage deals. Companies freeze hiring plans and the pound slides on the currency markets. Street view. The news pushes the alert. £1 now buys just $1.10, the lowest in 40 years. Viral TikTok shows bailiffs loading furniture from a terraced house as the tenant films. A mixed crowd of high-vis tradespeople and suited office workers chant outside Parliament. Contactless card readers crash at McDonald's, queues snake out the door. Why it turns hot. Anger centres on the system. Laid off workers and cash-strapped graduates outnumber local officers. People push through light barricades and luxury shop windows take the first hits. Survival moves before. 3 months emergency funds. Keep enough cash for rent, food and utility bills, plus a stash of £5 and £10 notes sealed in a Ziploc bag at home. Useful side hustles. Basic haircuts, phone fixes or tutoring can trade for cash or favours when regular work dries up. Street contact list. Write down neighbours' skills and phone numbers, plumber, electrician, nurse, delivery drivers and stick it on the fridge. Survival moves during. Dress down. Leave jewellery and branded gear at home. Collect deliveries when the street is quiet. Quiet routes home. Have at least one backstreet walk or cycle path that avoids busy shopping roads. Neighbour favour swap. Offer small help. Grab milk, hold a parcel, so goodwill is already in place if supplies tighten. What do you think will be the first blame in a crash? Banks, government or the rich? Drop your vote in the comments below. When money melts, trade skills and stay ordinary. Envy hunts shine, not shadows. 3. Energy and fuel crunch. It's 4 PM this January, your toddler's cheeks are purple from cold, battery 3%, diesel £3.10 a litre, radiators click dead, street outside glows with tea-light TikToks, a man shouts he'll trade 5 litres of fuel for baby formula. Do you queue, riot or adapt? The trigger. Saboteurs blow a Baltic pipeline, wholesale gas triples, National Grid posts 6-hour blackout maps, tanker drivers strike. Street view. Regional power cut map, websites go offline, friends share blackout screenshots on X, petrol station boards flash £20 max, queue snake down the road. Staff tape out of order signs across the powerless freezer doors and steer shoppers away. Why violence? Cold plus dark equals zero patience. Parents can't warm baby bottles, block one fuel depot and logistics crumble. Survival moves before. Twin heat, small indoor gas heater with carbon monoxide alarm plus a friend who has a wood burner. Pocket power, solar power bank, enough for a small low power lamp and a phone charge. Half tank rule, always keep the car's fuel tank above 50%. Survival moves, drawing. Heat the human. Thermal base layers, wool jumper and a beanie keeps body heat in. First light shop. Arrive as stores open, grab essentials before shelves empty. Elder check-in, knock on elderly neighbours morning and night to be sure they're warm. Energy riots are winter marathons, pace fuel, share heat, outlast anger. 4. The blue line gap, police retention. You dial 999 and there's a recorded voice, estimated wait time 2 hours. By nightfall, neighbours form their own patrol. The trigger, years of pay, freezes and viral cop shaming clips sap morale. Resignations rise sharply and burglar response time slips from a few hours to more than a day in some areas. Street view. You see post on Facebook, 48 hours, no police yet. Jewelers hire MMA hoodie doorman, DIY patrol stream alleys. With fewer officers on patrol, opportunistic burglars start trying door handles while anxious residents arm themselves with household items. Scuffles break out and someone gets hurt by mistake. Survival moves before. Light the perimeter, motion LEDs, thorn bushes, security cameras. 10 house chat, set up a signal or WhatsApp group with the 10 nearest homes. Pin everyone's phone numbers at each fridge. Agree that sending 3 alarm emojis means come now while a single eye emoji means look out the window and report. Legal lines, no UK force laws, carry 130 decibel alarms, consider legal deterrents such as personal defense sprays where permitted. Survival moves, drawing. Show teeth, not fangs. Install a visible CCTV doorbell or even a realistic dummy camera and add a clear recording 24/7 sticker. It's enough to make chances think twice without looking confrontational. Incident log. Keep a small notebook by the front window or a shared phone note. Jot the time, date and a one-line description and save a 30-second video clip so police get a tidy timeline. Value check. Electronics are replaceable but you aren't. If knives or tools appear, shut the door and retreat rather than defend a television. Porch light strategy. Fit an LED dusk to dawn bulb so the front looks lived in all night. Add motion sensor side lights to startle trespassers while keeping the bill low. Safe room plan. Pick a back bedroom with a solid door, stash a first aid kit, power bank, water and a whistle. Agree the family heads there if shouting or glass breaking sounds close. When the badge fades, clear rules and rolling cameras keep chaos outside. 5. Digital ID and payment freeze. You tap your phone, declined. The tube gates flash red. Your banking app shows £0. Trigger. Brick card stitches your ID, taxes, healthcare and bank account into one card. When a protest group gets flagged, their cards freeze and the nation suddenly realizes a single keystroke can choke every wallet. Street view. Tube barriers blink red and a wall of commuters pile up behind them. On X, the hashtag brick card freeze rockets to the top within minutes. High street cafes tape handwritten cash only signs over their card readers. Why violence? Money is oxygen. Cut it off and people scramble for every breath. Survival moves before. 3 ways to pay. Keep some cash, a prepaid debit card and a small hardware crypto wallet. Offline backup. Print your sort code and phone bank pin. Seal the slip in an envelope and tuck it away. Barter box. Stock trade friendly items. Coffee sachets, AA batteries, spare charging cables. Survival moves. Drawing. Grab cash early. Hit the ATM before panic queues wind around the block. Mesh messaging. Install Brio or Bridgify now so you can text even if mobile data crawls. Paperproof. Print yesterday's balance. Hard copy receipts can speed up any future dispute. 3 ways to pay is Freedom Insurance. 6. Cyber attack plus food supply collapse. Open your cupboard, count the meals. Can you last a week if Tesco tills blinked out? Trigger. A coordinated cyber attack locks the top 5 chilled food distributors. Scanners freeze, delivery schedules vanish, bread gone by day 3, milk by day 5. Street view. Viral clip. Guard pepper sprays parents over last formula pallet. School lunches are crisp and water. Community fridges appear in half irradiated after dark. Why violence? Hungry parents swing first, then question later. Survival moves before. 90-30 pantry, 90 days of dry staples, rotate monthly. Year-round greens, LED grow box lettuce, jar sprouts. Cold chain island. A solar panel and a low-powered chest freezer for meat and insulin. Survival moves, drawing. Food swap map. Eggs for oats, carrots for rice. Mega soup night. A 10-litre pot feeds 10 on half the fuel. Gift first. Serve hot soup to neighbours on day 1. People who've eaten at your table rarely kick your door on day 5. How many meals are in your cupboard today? Guess, then go count. 7. Identity flashpoint over mass migration. 2 rallies, 1 pavement. Union Jack on the left, freedom flag on the right. Do you step forward, back or sidestep? The trigger. Record channel crossings fill hotels, local crime spikes, rival rallies pick the same Saturday, same high street. Street view. Dueling chants bounce like rival football crowds. Red smoke flare hisses and shaky phone footage of the scuffle hits TikTok within minutes. Voice notes claim somebody's lost their life before any fact check. Why violence? When parents think the other side is endangering their children's future, shouting turns into shoving within minutes. Survival moves before. Language icebreakers. Learn hello plus need help in top newcomer languages. Early hello strategy. Swap a quick hello at a letterbox while things are calm. Better to read the mood now than in a heaty crowd later. Cross-check sources. Compare at least 2 trusted outlets before you act so rumors don't catch you off guard. Survival moves. Drawing. Route Z. Check a live protest tracker like police Twitter feed, Waze hazard layer or crowdsourced map. Before you leave, screenshot any hotspots and plan a side street detour that keeps you at least 2 blocks from marched routes. Neutral helper look. A plain high-vis vest with a generic green cross patch signals you're there to help. Wear it only if you carry basic first aid kit and know how to use it. Avoid official logos and ditch the vest if violence escalates. Stepping up as the calm plaster person does 2 things. It buys goodwill from every side and gives you a practical mission that can steady your own nerves. Record, don't stream. Capture footage for evidence, then post it once you're safely away. Live streams pin your GPS and can draw unwanted crowds or even phone thieves to your spot. Have you spoken to a new arrival in your town this month? Yes or no? What was your experience? Comment below. Remember the teaser? For about £10, a high-vis vest wrapped around a clipboard buys you 3 advantages. People can see you, they assume you're an official business, and you can signal for help fast. Security is more likely to wave you through, drivers spot you in a blackout, and neighbours know who to call. This plus many more items for UK preparedness is in the Amazon kit list in the description below. 7 stress tests. Maybe none hit this decade, maybe 1 lands tomorrow. Preparedness isn't bunkers, it's community stitched with calm. A nation stops feeling like a war zone the moment ordinary people act like neighbours again. Head over to Equilord to sign up to the email list and be notified about my products that I'm making. Hit subscribe and smash the bell icon to keep up to date. Remember, store wisely, share generously, and stay wild. I'll catch you in the next one.